So first, open your Word docs, then create a blank document. Then go to Mailings in the top. Then click Start Mail Merge. Then select Letters. Then click Select Recipient and press Type a new list. After clicking, you will see this thing in the title. You will put either mom or sir, then fill out the rest depending on who you are gonna send it to. For this tutorial, I'm just putting an example. You can create one or two. I'm gonna do two address list for example purposes. After you fill out the tables, you are gonna click the OK button below. Then name it however you want. To see the results, go over the top, then click address block. Then check if it's the one you made. If it is, click OK. Then press enter to add space. Go to the top, then click creating line. Check it and then click OK. At the top, click preview results. You can then put your message here blah blah blah. And finally, click finish and merge. Select edit individual documents. Click all then OK. That's it. You're done. You can check the file in the folder if you wanna make sure